My name is Rick Goley. I'm the reliability manager at the Augusta Mill. Our main challenge was more unplanned downtime than we wanted to have. And the issue with trying to resolve that was that we didn't exactly know where to focus our efforts, and we didn't have very good data to point us in the right direction to do that. One of the ways that we got a lot better is through our partnership with ANDRITZ. We have started looking at identifying and scheduling all of our work based on risk. So we're going after the work that has the most potential for causing downtime. We've put that into our process for planning, scheduling, identifying work, as well as some of our predictive maintenance tools. When we identify things there, we're using risk-based approach there too. One of our main solutions that we've used has been modifying our MOPS process, which is our process of planning, scheduling, and completing work. The big changes we've made is changing that whole process to work around risk. We're working a lot harder at completing the right work and making sure we're doing the work that has the most impact on reliability. The changes in our MOPS process or our planning and scheduling work have been a big piece of it. Some of the other things that have made a big change is we're getting much better at some of our predictive maintenance tools with help from ANDRITZ. We're able to go after the right things and not spend time and effort on things that might not make a big impact. We're still figuring our way through a lot of things to get down to the bottom line of how this is going to impact us. One of the tools that we have started using is a lot of dashboards that have been built for us through our partnership with ANDRITZ to help measure some of the smaller metrics to show that we're getting better toward the big metrics. So we have gotten better at planning and scheduling our work. We've gotten better at completing the right work. Our completion percentages are better. And we have gotten better at getting the work that's identified as critical from things like our vibration program or oil analysis. We've gotten better at getting those done quicker.
My name is Boyd Lively. I'm the Operations Maintenance Coordinator for Paper Machine 3, the Augusta Mill. The MOPS process was improved by following a new standard and new meeting agenda and a new planning agenda we use with criticality-based numbers and getting everybody on the team aligned in what we're going to do, how we're going to line that out. We have specific meetings that we go through every week with specific goals and outcomes, and everybody's pulling in the same direction. This increased our efficiency in the MOPS process. We were facing issues with the reliability at the Augusta Mill. A couple of things that were driving that was data analysis, being able to use live data to make decisions, what we're going to work on that week and the next week, as well as the schedule adherence and the program we were using to get there, right? So what that function was, how we were doing it was a little not organized as we do it now. So we partnered with ANDRITZ and we improved both those. The main outcome will be improved reliability. We're getting there based off of vibration analysis, live analysis, having that available and making decisions using that, and also better scheduling for maintenance work processes. So we're using criticality numbers we weren't using before to make decisions and sticking to that every time. Instead of making emotional decisions what we work on from week to week, we're letting the data guide us on what we go work on and where we spend our resources. A lot of equipment out there on our machine alone. We've got up to 500 sensors, so we're looking at that every day on a lot of different equipment. It helps us know what to work on and when to work on it. Efficiency is a large difference. So one example I like to use is the duoformer top bearing. We changed the bearing, believing the issue was a bearing wear itself. After putting a new one in, the technology was allow us to see as soon as we started up that we still had a problem there. We were able to put a plan together to go back in and make some different mechanical repairs that fixed the issue. In the past, we wouldn't have known that until the next time we came around and took a manual reading, and we could have resulted in a large amount of downtime in the machine if we didn't have that analysis right there. So that makes a big difference for us. I think the more tools we have available, the better we'll be, the more reliable we'll continue to be in Augusta, So the more equipment and assets we can monitor and see what that health of that asset is, we know what to work on, when to work on it. We can make better decisions with that data.